Hey Unity, what's up? I finally got my comic, Nature Model series.
Wow, what a huge model.
I have never seen one like this. This is no mere model, it's a garage kit. They are limited edition. You can buy them in stores. There's no way you guys could ever get one.
Whoa, I am jealous. Right.
Right? What's that mean? I know he's got a crow ring to Doraemon.
Hey D,
A rare model kit?
they must have cool ones in the 22nd century, right?
Well, sure. There's a really popular one called 22nd Century Tokyo. It's a 100 scale model of the city, perfect outdoor buildings and streets and everything.
I want it.
You need a room the size of a stadium and it takes 30 years to build.
Have anything faster to make?
For you? Forget it! Have you ever even completed a single model you had started? You always get good happy and...
Don't be mean.
Fine. Nature Model Series number 1.
What's this?
The stand. Those little things are an egg. Glue the halves together.
These are too small.
Now you build the stand. Stick the egg to a leaf.
Now what?
That's it.
That's it? Everyone's gonna laugh at me.
What's that? Some kind of model. What a joke. Ah!
Did you hear something?
Forget about that. Check this out.
A caterpillar? A plastic caterpillar?
From the egg you just made, this model kit grows. It grows a one day for every 10 minutes. That pass if you get notes, you could finish your summer assignment in a day.
Wow.
See, it's already a cocoon. Now it's a magic.
It's a butterfly.
Once it grows up, it turns back into an egg.
Wow, let's do another.
Enough playing. You need to do homework.
Just one more. I want to show Shizuka. Come on, D, please. Come right over. I got a cool model kit.
I was all worried Doraemon would come with something cool.
Some stuff. Perfect for Nobi.
Where are you going? To see Nobi's model.
I wouldn't if I were you. It's a simple. Quick, it just hatched
What is this round thing?
an egg. Now it's a tadpole. It's getting bigger. Look, little legs.
I hate frogs.
It's only plastic. It turned back into an egg.
I will give you a cooler one.
Take your pick. Bird, fish, anything that hatches from an egg.
This looks nice. Want to turn right back into an egg? You can use this fixer to keep it a bird normal. I'm going to make it right now. How was it? Set it up right? No, it was fun. This egg turned into real animals. Modern eggs that really hatch, right? But I still want a swallow, but it's only February. The model laid more eggs.
Smith says he wants one now.
Hey, hot pakdo! A mouse egg! I hate mice! Mice don't hatch from eggs. What did he take? Tell me.
The coolest one and the fixer too.
Wow, this is big. I just put these together. Hope it goes fast.
However, coming.